So they take 1 out of 10 people. So if there's 100 people, they take 10. So the thing is that 1.9 million is wrong. Yes, but that's just an estimate. It's just an estimate. So I was just trying to connect the estimate to how much. No, Turkey alone has 2 million. Turkey alone has 2 million refugees. Yeah.
1.9 million and 2 million is just 1 million.
So I found out when they go to Canada, their lives kind of they start over. So what I found also, so that's mostly what I found out about.
Okay.
So
It's about the population of refugees. I figured that Syrian refugees are the most refugees in the EU, and Germany received the highest number of refugees, and there are about 500,000 refugees are from Syria.
wow, that's a lot. That's good.
Anyone else
Rachel,
here?
what did you find out?
So I was mainly researching about China.
Oh, okay.
That currently China's refugee aid in the 11 equals the are you videotaping me? Contribution of Austria, given the size and economic capabilities of PRC.
No. Listen, I was just citing all the websites because
What do you want to share in your group?
so I have a whole lot of notes.
That's why.
You never listen. Okay. So I found out ultrasound or stuff. Pictures are made from sound waves, which are too high pitched to be heard by humans' ear. And ultrasound are used to locate your baby and see the number of your babies you have and where they're located. And it uses sound waves to create the image of your baby. And you put some gel that helps the ultrasound to get the image of your baby.
I found something interesting. It was about holographic body scans, and it's also helping develop ultrasound technology, and because right now scans are printed in black and white, so they have to look for different colors of gray, see if anything's out of place or doesn't look right. But holographic body scans can let them feel the different densities in the scan. So
Did you understand? Were you listening to her? Yes. Because she's sharing so that you learn from her as a group. That's the whole point of this. So what was the big idea here?
It's pretty bright in here.
What Karina said, yeah?
They can see what she just explained is that right now the pictures of the brain you cannot see. You have to look closer and closer to see dark gray parts to see if you have tumor, cancer, or something in your brain. But in the future, they can have a 3D image and you can see inside as well, and then that gives you a better view of what they have.
She also used shades of gray. What was she saying? Did you hear?
Like a shade of gray, a light shade of gray is normal, but dark shade of gray is this not abnormal
So do you see how you learn from each other? There's no point, oh, she's presenting, let me switch off and let me prepare for mine. The whole point is we learn from one another. Anyone else? Yeah.
I learned about printable body parts thing, and I learned that for people who have lost kidneys or lungs, they can print it from these printers. They started in labs, and they have temporary life support, so you can have longer life since it's printed. And these have the easiest ones to make our heart, lungs, kidney, and bladder, but eyes and things are not very easy to make since they're very delicate
And complicated. They're very complex.
and nerves. Okay. And then so in the future, soon scientists can make discovering new ways to grow different types of tissue from your cells. And then soon they will be able to print muscle.
What's the gist of what she said? Can you summarize that? Anything new you learned from Ayame?
You can make like new tissue cells and
What was anything else she said?
She predicted that she that you can put out like muscles.
And she was talking about that body parts like kidneys and bladders are easy to replicate, but the more fragile ones and complex ones are like she said eyeballs and livers and nerves are more complex, so they're harder to replicate.
You want to share?
which one should I share? One of the things that I learned today is like a Google driverless car. They tried this before, but it didn't really work out because they didn't have like the technology they have now. And then it's, as you can tell by the title, it's like a driverless car that you can command. And then they have a lot of nowadays they have like very like technology that they can use now, but then before when they tried to make it, they couldn't make it in 1609.
How does it help like medical technology?
Oh, because they use the technology that they use, the new developed technology they use for like making for like doctors use, and that helped the car move.
Okay. Thank you.